Welcome to the How-To series for HR Dynamics Plus. These are a series of short videos on how to use the various functions of HR Dynamics Plus. This is How-To video number 1. How to view all employees registered in your organization. From the main menu, click on Employees. This is the very first menu item to the left. Then scroll down to Registered Employees. This is usually the third item from the top. Note that depending on your version the location may vary slightly. Click on Registered Employees. This will open the Registered Employees page. In this page you will see a listing of your employees in a special table format. These tables may also be referred as a grid view. This grid view or table allows you to scroll up and down, and left to right. You can click on the column headers to sort by that column in ascending and descending order. For example, click on the first name column header and observe how it sorts by that column. Thank you for watching.